Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook eggs in an air fryer. This incredibly simple method will change your breakfast routine forever. You'll discover how easy it is to achieve perfectly cooked eggs with minimal effort and cleanup. We'll explore different styles, from beautifully soft-boiled to perfectly fried, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite egg preparations using this versatile kitchen appliance. Get ready to simplify your cooking. Let's start with boiled eggs. For a lovely soft-boiled egg, place them directly into your air fryer basket and cook at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. If you prefer a firm, hard-boiled egg, extend that time to 13 to 15 minutes. Remember, there's no need to preheat. Once cooked, immediately plunge them into an ice bath for 5 minutes to halt the cooking and make them easy to peel. Now for delicious fried eggs. First, preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's heating, lightly grease a small, oven-safe dish or ramekin. Carefully crack 1 or 2 eggs into the prepared dish. Place the dish in the air fryer and cook for 3 to 6 minutes. For a runny yolk, aim for 3 to 4 minutes. For a firmer yolk, cook closer to 6 minutes. Enjoy your perfectly fried egg. Here are a few tips for consistently perfect air fryer eggs. Always use fresh eggs. They cook and peel better. Remember that cooking times can vary slightly depending on your specific air fryer model and the size of your eggs, so feel free to adjust by 1 or 2 minutes. Avoid overcrowding the basket to ensure even cooking. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with different seasonings and serving ideas to make your egg dishes truly your own.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.